Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you updates on Xempire and what they have for all of us. Now, Xempire has a lot of things, and recently they have been able to bring out their chill fees, and they want all of us to participate in it. Now, recently today they dropped a news telling us that they are currently working on some certain things in order for their airdrop to be able to reach to all their participants or all their users. Now, first thing they say they are working hard on the listing, which is they are trying to negotiate and trying to work on the technical aspect of it, which is going on the background aspect, where they are working with the exchangers, trying to see how it will be listed and the benefit they have with all of us. Now, apart from that too, they also talk about their developing aspect. They are trying to see that the ecosystem will be able to reach all their users and all of that. So they are trying to see that when they list, everybody will benefit from it, and they are working so hard on all of that. And they also say that they are working on removing the bots and people who are dishonest players. They are trying to remove all of those people from the ecosystem. So one thing we need to have in mind is that once we are playing on these, or once we are participating on these Xempire, that they are trying to see that everybody benefit, and they want to do something different as well, unlike Hamster, many of them. So we believe that they will try their best to do what they can, and it's as if that everybody's coin or what you have is no longer found in your wallet. So if you open your wallet, or if you open the game, for example, you'll be able to see that the chill phase is quite different, and all your coin which you have before is no longer showing, or is not there like before. So I will always advise that you play with caution as well. So this chill phase is trying to tell you, as you are waiting for them to work on the listing and working on the programs or to the exchange, you should try as much as possible to also keep on playing, that you should not stop. So all you just need to do is to keep on leveling up and all of that. So if you look at the airdrop aspect, you'll see that they also brought out the transaction aspect. Now, they want you to connect your wallet. They also want you to make some transaction. Yeah, they want you to connect your wallet, and they also want you to make a ton transaction. Now, I will not say that is a must, or will I say that it's not a must. A lot of people find it difficult, or they are looking at it that it's a must, that you must do a ton transaction. But know that once you do a ton transaction, that you also have a higher chance of gaining more than others. So whether you choose to make a ton transaction or you choose not to make a ton transaction is your choice. So don't quote me anywhere that I say that you must do a ton transaction. It's a chill phase, and it's a process that everybody will pass through, and they expect all of us to do something to participate in it. So connect your wallet, which is the major important thing. If you wish to do the ton transaction, it's also your choice. Yeah, it's also your choice. So if you know what is right, you can decide to do a ton transaction and all of that. So keep playing your game, keep tapping on increasing your levels, and go to this improve aspect or improve the game. Keep buying all that you need to buy in order for you to see that you increase your profit per hour. Yeah, increasing your profit per hour will give you the profit that you're looking for. Yeah, all of us are working on seeing how we can be able to gain on this airdrop. So try as much as possible to see that you keep on increasing your profit per hour. A lot of you don't know how to play this. A lot of you are like, how do I increase my profit per hour? All of that. It's for you to keep on buying on all of these skills. Yeah, buy all of these skills. Try as much as possible to see that you keep on increasing all of these skills, and you see that you enjoy playing the game. Yeah, improve on the skills that you can see. Yeah, improve on them, keep upgrading them. Whatever coin you have, keep upgrading them. Don't look at the coins that you have, rather keep increasing or keep buying all the skills, or see that you improve on all of them, and gain more from your profit. The more you improve, the more you increase in your levels, and the more you gain more. So my take home is try as much as possible to see that you keep on increasing your profit per hour, and you also connect your wallet. If you wish to do your turn transaction, it's your choice. So try as much as possible to do what you can and gain on this airdrop. That's a little update I have for you on Xempire. Try as much as possible to keep on tapping, increase your profit per hour by improving your skills, and do your turn transaction if you wish to, or you wish to get more, and all of that. As I see you on the next one, stay safe.